Actress Janvi Kapoor remembered her mother and actress Sridevi on her birth anniversary with a lovely throwback picture. In the picture, Sridevi can be seen lovingly holding Janvi. Along with the picture, Janvi penned an emotional note for her mom. She wrote, "Happy birthday, Mama. I miss you. Everything is for you. Always, every day. I love you." Janvi's sister Kushi Kapoor too took to her Instagram handle to remember her late mother. Kushi shared an adorable picture of Boney Kapoor and Sridevi, where they can be seen walking out of a hotel holding each other. Kushi captioned the post, "Miss you every day." Sridevi died in 2018 after drowning in a bathtub in a Dubai hotel. Her death was declared as an accident. Sridevi began her career at the age of 4 in the Tamil devotional film Thunaivan and worked across Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam films before her Hindi film debut as a child artist in the 1975 release Julie. Her debut as a Bollywood heroine happened in the 1980 film Sola Savan opposite Amol Palekar, and she became an overnight star after the release of Himmatwala, co-starring Jitendra in 1983. Sridevi won a national award as Best Actor for her last release before death, the 2017 release Mom. Popular Big Boss 13 couple Siddharth Shukla and Shehnaz Gill, who are fondly called as Sidnas by their fans, are all set to step into the Big Boss OTT house over the weekend. The couple will not just spend time with the contestants but will also have a brief interaction with the show's witty host and Bollywood filmmaker Karan Johar. The news of Siddharth and Shehnaz entering the house was shared on the official Instagram handle of Voot. Voot captioned the promo, "जो है सबसे खास और सबके दिल के पास, the one and the only Sidnas आ रहे हैं 2 साल बाद. We are filled with so much excitement कि अब क्या ही कहें. If you are all set to watch तो दिखाओ अपनी excitement for Sunday का वार and Sidnas in the comments." Yesterday, the makers of Big Boss shared a major hint on Instagram about Siddharth and Shehnaz entering the house. Voot shared a picture on Instagram and teased fans about their favorite Jodi's entry. They captioned the post, "Big Boss OTT का पहला संडे का वार होने वाला है सबसे entertaining जब आएगी Big Boss की favorite जोड़ी. Can you guess वो कौन है?" Many fans in the comment section guessed their favorite Jodi Sidnas names right. Shehnaz Gill rose to fame with Big Boss 13. Her chemistry with Big Boss 13 show's winner Siddharth Shukla made the duo popular, and the two even have a hashtag Sidnas. Big Boss OTT airs on Voot Select. Karan Johar is anchoring the digital version. After completion of the digital exclusive, the show will move to colors with the launch of season 15 of Big Boss, hosted by actor Salman Khan. The first promo of बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं Season 2 is finally out now. Actor Nakul Mehta and Disha Parmar will portray the role of Ram and Priya in the show. The first season starred actor Sakshi Tanwar and Ram Kapoor. Sharing the promo on Instagram, Nakul wrote, "We made it back to your TV. So looking forward to this exciting collaboration with some ace storytellers and artists. बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं Season 2 on Sony soonest. PS also, hey, I'm Ram. Disha too. shared the promo on her social media handle. She captioned the post, "Sometimes when you least expect it, good things happen. This show fell into my lap out of nowhere in such a short period of time, and I feel nothing could have been better than this one. Nervous, excited, and all kind of jitters. Looking forward for you all to see the show and give the same love you gave first. The story will revolve around urban loneliness in the 30s and falling in love organically with mutual trust and respect after tying the knot. It will be the second season of Bade Achhe Lagte Hain that first aired in 2011. Nakul and Disha have previously worked in Star Plus show Pyar Ka Dard Hai Meetha Meetha Pyara Pyara, which aired in 2012. Fans are related to see their favorite jodi back on screen. Bade Achhe Lagte Hain will air soon on Sony Entertainment Television. Popular TV actress Nia Sharma has once again set the internet ablaze by sharing pictures from her new photo shoot on Instagram. She is currently raising temperature with her hot photo shoot. In the photographs, Nia can be seen wearing pink unbuttoned jacket and white ribbed jeans. Nia opted for pink eye makeup to amp up the whole look and added a dash of nude lip color on the lips. Nia styled her hair in soft curls. The actress completed her look with silver accessories. Nia is quite active on social media. She regularly shares her hot pictures and videos on Instagram. Take a look. Nia rose to fame with shows such as Kali Ek Agni Pariksha, Ek Hazaron Mein Meri Behna Hai, and Jamai Raja. She recently starred in season 2 of the web series Jamai Raja 2.0 along with Ravi Dubey and Achint Kaur. Actress Kangana Ranaut looks gorgeous in recent pictures she posted on social media. In the pics, Kangana sizzles in nude bralette and pant set. Kangana tied her hair in a bun and completed her look with statement neckpiece. The actress posed for the pictures in the backdrop of a lake. She captioned the post, "मोहब्बत में नहीं है फर्क जीने और मरने का, उसी को देखकर जीते हैं जिसका फिर पे दम निकले, गालिब." Kangana's fans responded with heart and fire emojis and commented hotness alert and "you're looking amazing." The actress has definitely set some major fashion goals with her latest pictures. Kangana has wrapped up the shooting of her upcoming film Dhakar. The actress took to her Instagram handle to share pictures from the wrap-up party. Kangana enjoys a massive fan following on Instagram. She currently has 7.5 million followers on the photo sharing website. Kangana will be seen as Agent Agni in Dhakar. The film's first schedule was shot in Madhya Pradesh. Actor Arjun Rampal will be seen in a negative character in the film. Apart from Dhakar, Kangana also has films such as Thalaivi, which is an upcoming bilingual biopic of late Jayalalitha. The film traces the journey of the late Tamil Nadu leader from silver screen to politics. Kangana also has period drama Manikarnika Returns, The Legend of Didda, and Tejas in the pipeline. Kangana will also don the director's hat for the second time in the film Emergency, which is based on the life of late Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.